It's called a navigator, of course, and one of the things I forgot, it's got sat nav. There you go. Well, while we're in this traffic, I'll try and show you how to set the sat nav. So from any screen, that would be your normal map screen there. We've got lights on here, I think, so it could be in dark mode. So into nav, destination input, click on destination input, city and postcode, and then we're Grosvenor Garage. Oh no, I've managed to turn the volume up there, stupid boy. So that's it. P R. Now we need to go to numbers at the bottom. 5 4 J S. That's it, PR54JS. And then click down, start guidance.
Turn left after 150 yards.
That's it, that's how you do that.